Do you know that you can die by getting a tattoo? You are right. A man from Mexico left us a strong lesson. At 31, he found his worst end after getting a new tattoo and not following the indications that the specialist had given. After a cross on her right ankle, her tattooist recommended, among other things, not to swim in any pool or in the sea, to avoid problems with the design. However, he completely ignored his advice and went on vacation to the Gulf of Mexico, where he swam only 5 days after the tattoo. Unfortunately, as the wound was still open, it ended up infecting a strong bacterium that was in the water and that ended up killing. The day after spending hours swimming, he caught a fever and began to feel very bad, so he was referred to the hospital. There they discovered that he had sepsis, a disease that occurs when the body has a strong immune response to a bacterial infection. Even in his leg began to appear very infected violet marks. Days later, although they gave him antibiotics and connected him to machines so he could breathe, his organs began to fail and he died in the same hospital. Better be very careful if you get a tattoo. And take the precautions you need from the